Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, the GoPro. That's recording. Okay. Alright, so we've had a couple of issues lately with the GoPro. It's making me want to go ahead and get a GoPro 11 finally. It's making me want to switch over and get a GoPro Hero 11 at this. Lately, I've been having this weird issue with the GoPro where it just like stops recording after it's like second or third like 4 gigabyte file, because obviously it records in 4 gigs at a time, and I've had it just completely turn off. I'm like, what the hell, GoPro? Why take up so much space? Why do they do that? I don't know, they're weird. Back to what I was saying, this GoPro, I see it on, it hasn't cut to black. I don't know what's going on and why it stopped recording, but it's just been annoying, dude. I had some good footage I wanted to upload yesterday, but no, because the GoPro didn't record it, even though I had this little red light on. I was like, dude, come on, GoPro. What the hell? What the hell, GoPro? Yeah, but it didn't record. I had this cool scene where like a car cut me off, and I was like, man, somebody some YouTube gold right here. Nope. Didn't even have it on there no more. So right now, according to this GoPro, it's flashing its little red light saying it's recording. And if it doesn't fail me this time, I dropped the megabits because I had a high bit rate, so I dropped it the standard. See how that's maybe the issue, at least until I upgrade to the Hero 11, which I do plan to, just so I can get that new 8x7. It records in a big ass square, so I can use one recording for multiple things, not just, you know, that way I don't have to scale into my footage and get a little bit better quality through the whole thing, because I don't want to record vertical only. I hate that. I hate recording vertical as it is. But we're gonna test some stuff out. We're gonna see how it works. Hopefully that does the trick, you know. But yeah, dude, GoPro's been failing me lately. Why, GoPro? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué, GoPro? I love the GoPro quality. And I even got over the fact that I have to use this adapter on my face in order to get audio, because they make it, I don't know why action cameras make it so difficult. Did everybody ride a bike today? There's like a bike gang everywhere. There's this bike gang, the bike gang that I just passed. So I don't work today. I'm gonna get to see some fireworks. Am I gonna spend my money on fireworks? Absolutely not. I'm gonna spend my money on not fireworks. But yeah, man, I was saying the GoPro been failing me a lot lately. Also had an issue where I went up the mountain, Angeles Crest. Luckily I had my Hero 7 with me, and I was on my face. And my Hero 9, I had the max lens mod, so I can get like that perfect horizon, because I have it for that. And my whole purpose was to record a nice little horizon level shot. Didn't get it. Oh, that's another reason I want the Hero 11. Now it does like horizon leveling without the max lens mod, so that's kind of cool. Because in the max lens mod, I have to run it at like, I can't run an ND filter on it, but I could now with if I get a Hero 11, which I do want to get the Hero 11. The Osmo Action 3, I don't know what is going on with that camera. I can't find it anywhere. I plan to get that one, but I just can't find it anymore. Oh yeah, but Hero 11's on the books for me next to get. I really wanted to get an Osmo Action 3, but I don't know, man. I've been hearing about that focus issue, and now it's like impossible to find anywhere right now. They don't have it at Best Buy, they don't have it at Amazon, they only have it at DJI. But it makes me wonder, like, why are all these other places out of it? Are they coming with a new refresh of it? Should I just wait? So I'm trying to make sure this GoPro Hero 9 works. It's recording supposedly, but like I said, I dropped the bit rate, and I'm at 4K 30 right now, so we're gonna see, man. We just gotta test a couple things out, a couple factors. I never really recorded a high bit rate, and then I just recently switched it up since I'm doing 4K. So I was wondering, maybe the high bit rate with the 4K, maybe it's doing too much. I didn't even know I can record 5K on the Hero 9 until the other day I was looking at it. I was like, what in the hell did they have 5K? I did the update on the camera, which I probably shouldn't have, but I did the update thinking that would resolve any like stability issues. But I don't know, man. I want it to work. I don't want to be like wondering, like, am I recording? That's why you periodically will check my mirror. I see the little lights flashing because that's my indicator to know that it's recording. But when it comes down to it, I get home and I'm like, oh, it didn't record anything, or I get like repairing files. So I don't know. I know the Hero 11 has that newer chipset, so hopefully less issues, but we're gonna see what happens. Today is the 4th of July. We're just going out for a nice little cruise. That's a lot of cops heading up that way, but then also the police department is up that way, so that makes kind of sense why there will be a lot of police officers. What is this car doing? They missed it. They're not gonna get it. Dumb cars. Tricks are for kids.